Hey, how's it going? My name's James Scott. I'm a interagency forest fuels technician. I work with both national parks and U.S. Forest Service. Uh, I'm up here today in the Bald Hills as a prescribed fire burn boss. Here on these units that you see behind us, and yeah, I'm out here helping doing meadow restoration and helping clean up some of the invasive species, trees that don't need to be here, plants and blackberries, things like that, and also helping out with wildlife and the fuels reduction, which is a big part, especially within the Forest Service. You know, we like getting in and implementing fire on these lands so that we can get a reduction in fuels, which ultimately help us during the summer months with lower fire behaviors and the bigger fires we get. So yeah, out here today we are taking a big bite out of the accomplishment for fuels reductions and meadow restoration. You know, right now we're today probably going to accomplish 250 plus acres in meadow restoration, and it's just a short day too. It's not even be a full long day, and I think if we get more into prescribed fire and we get used to using fire as a tool, as the future goes on, we can reduce the impacts of devastating wildfires by doing prescribed fire management. So I think today's going to be a good day. 250 acres treated.